Hi, this is Gayle. Welcome to my channel. We are on the Homer Spit today. Here's some shots of the way in and last night. Just off of the Seward Highway on the first overlook and just greeted by some magnificent mountains. Oh, looky there. Lake Clark National Park and Preserve viewpoint right outside of Homer, Alaska. And we are looking at volcanoes that are part of the Ring of Fire going across Cook Inlet, which is part of the Lake Clark Nature Preserve. There are three volcanoes here, the Augustine, Iliana, and Redoubt. Iliana is really hard to see right now, so I'm going to insert a clip, and the Augustine is completely hidden, but we do see the Redoubt at 10,197 feet. The Redoubt is the tallest of these three and is magnificent. The sun's setting, so it's getting dark pretty fast. I'm going to insert a couple more clips. They've told me that it's really foggy in the mornings and I might not get a view at all, so I'm trying to grab these for you while I can. The view this morning from the Homer Visitor Center Information Kiosk Overlook. What a sight this is. I am not sure if you can tell, but it is foggy this morning. It's just beautiful. The fog is just right over the water. Let me see if I can catch it for you. Okay, you can see the fog better now. It's lifting straight up off the water and it's kind of hiding the view, but it's absolutely incredible. We are about to leave for Homer Spit, but this was so beautiful I wanted you to see it. It's just amazing. On the Homer Spit today, and let me show you. The salmon are crazy. They are jumping, but they're just jumping. Unfortunately, the people who are fishing are not having as good of a time. Just because they're jumping doesn't mean they're biting. You can see this. Oh, there's one. There's one. Oh my gosh. And did you see that? Oh, there it goes. I think I missed that one. Maybe not. We'll see. It's close. It was right on the edge of the lens here. I've never seen fish jump like this before. I'm just going to watch for a minute before we go. Okay. I'm going to take a quick drive up and down so you can see what it's like. Where it lands in, where land ends and sea begins. From the end of the Homer Spit, the sign said the world opens to the Kachemak Bay, the Cook Inlet, the Gulf of Alaska, and the Pacific Ocean. From here, the Alaska Marine Highway can take you from Homer to Seldovia, Kodiak, Unalaska. Kachemak Bay's designation is a state critical habitat area, and the Bay State Park is a water taxi ride across the bay. Isn't it just beautiful? Homer is phenomenal. There's a great parking lot here. It feels very safe. It's got public restrooms. We're about to head off to lunch. A couple of people have suggested Cups, which is where we're heading next. Cafe Cups was recommended to us. It's here in Homer. We're going to go check it out. Oh, look at the mosaic. I love that. I got the steamer basket. Hold on. It's one of the things that was recommended. Okay, we're having dinner in Homer, Alaska. It's such a cute place. Lots of really artsy, hippie decor. Really cute seafood restaurant. They've got like a burger and a chicken dish or two on the menu, but it's really great. Here's dinner. I got the Creole steamer pot, plus we got the polenta to try. The steamer pot has clams, shrimp, oysters, scallops. There's a piece of crab in there. That's the polenta. Creole and white wine seasoning. The traveling companion didn't like the noise, but I liked the restaurant. The food was good, and the price for the two of us was $55, so I don't think that's bad. This is a busy Saturday night. It's a cute little hopping little place. My friend's not into seafood, but I really wanted to come and splurge and try local food. The chocolate lime pie was great. Everything was really good. I have to come back next time. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys have ever been to Cafe Cups here in Homer, Alaska, leave your comments down below. If you have a favorite seafood place or restaurant in general in Homer, Alaska, let me know that below too. Thanks you guys for watching, and we'll see you out about and online. And I gotta take one more drive through Homer before we go.
Oh great. Now I know why my minutes are disappearing so quickly. You gotta stay off those 900 numbers, bud. Nothing but trouble.